To Yardstyle live.
Yeah, so you just keep working with the new generations that keep coming up who is interested in music too. Because you have a heap of them coming out the music and them not really last 3 years, them not last 2 years. So music is a continuous thing, it's a journey. See me? It's a mission, it's not a competition. That's why I'm saying we will always be doing music. I mean, I compete with nobody. Maybe myself will compete with still. Because every mix have to be better than the next mix or better than the mix there before.
So you think the industry give you respect?
Well, yeah, respect. I want to tell you the truth, I don't really look out for them things there. No, me respect myself, me respect what me I do. So, I don't really pay that part and much attention.
Yeah, but me say it, you know, and me say it from my point of view. I say, you know, so the industry for big up the mixtape man, them, the DJ Kenny.
Yeah,
you
because we are putting whole heap of
yeah, man, because I see a thing everywhere, me I say. And then again, me I say this, and some people go vex. There's DJ Kenny and then some other Kenny too. Yeah. So if it wasn't DJ Kenny, some other man there would be no other Kenny. Because you have a next Kenny.
Kenny Vibes Warm in New York.
And they have a brother German in here, King Kenny.
Yeah, all of them I meet them already still. Most of them I meet them already. You even have a Kenny in Japan. So
that's why I tell you, say, boy, me, that's why I ask, that's why I say it. Because I say, yo, the industry need to put some more respect by your name.
Walk one, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.